Welcome back to InThrMa. Today we're going to show you the main menu, which we're looking at right now, and give you just a quick overview of the various icons and what they do. So you've logged in, you've set up thermostats, and now you're at the main menu. Let's go through one by one what we have here. So we're going to start with the top row and work from left to right. The first icon here is the graphs. So we have a variety of graphs. There are 4 different graphs to look at. The first one here is the temperature graph. This will show you a 30-day trailing window of detailed data for all your temperatures, sensors, and set points. The next one down the list here, monthly. This is going to show you month at a time and show you heating and cooling consumption on a given day. So how many minutes or hours of heating or cooling, as well as the outside temperatures. And below that, it'll show you statistics for the month. So mins, maxes, averages, and so on for any given month. This next one here, yearly, will allow you to look at, a year's amount of time or 6 months or whatever amount of time and show you monthly consumption. So if you wanted to sort of look at seasonal usage, this is where you'd go. And then finally, performance. Performance, you're going to go in and you're going to take a look at your heating rate or your cooling rate over time. And that's what you'll find there. So those are the graphs. We're not actually going to go into each one of these sections. This is meant to be just a quick video to show you where things are. The next icon is alerts. This is where you'll go in to set up alert destinations, so email addresses or text message or phone numbers, and then set up alerts. High temperature alerts, low temperature alerts, inefficiency alerts, long runtime alerts, those sorts of things. The next one over here is the schedules, and this one actually has a fair bit going on. So this is where you would go to add supplemental schedules. So let's say you wanted, every Tuesday evening from 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. you want to change the temperatures. You could do that here. That's under scheduling right here. Then you'll see there's 4 other items, and they're kind of broken up into IMT thermostats and NT thermostat features. We have the special days feature, and we also have the provisioning feature. So this is where you'd go manage your special days, and this is where you'd go to manage thermostat provisioning. So if you wanted to bulk set up thermostats or create reports on how thermostats are set up, that's where you'd go. The dashboard is kind of your one-stop shop just to get a view of everything at a glance. Here's all my thermostats. Here's all the current system statuses, what's running, what's not, and temperatures. Here we have, on the next icon, we have some efficiency features. We have Smart Start, which is sort of our adaptive recovery algorithm to optimize heating and cooling. And then if you have a heat pump system, the heat pump optimizer allows you to change the balance point, which is the temperature where the system will switch from heat pump to auxiliary heat source. So if you want to fine tune that, that's where you do it. The next icon over here is the reports, and we have 2 types. We have raw data, and this will show you minute by minute data coming off of the thermostat, so all the temperatures, all the sensors, and so forth. And then duty cycles sort of takes it up a level, and this is each heating or cooling cycle will be displayed and show you just a summary of when it started, when it ended, how long it ran, temperature changes, and so forth. So that's the first row. The second row, this is the InThrMa store. And this is where you come in to renew your subscription, basically, and we do that through PayPal. This one here, equipment, shows you third-party equipment that's also compatible with the InThrMa EMS. InThrMa Beta Labs, this is where we test and try new features, so if you're looking for something new to try with your thermostat, this is where you'd come in and take a look. And bulletins, this is where we make announcements, and you'll see for these 2, for Beta Labs and bulletins, you'll see like a little red icon in the corner. If there's a new item in here, or if there's a new item in bulletins, you'll see like 1 or 2, a number in the corner, just like you'd see on your phone. We're going to ignore this one for now because this is just for a special account. And then the bottom row. So let's go through the bottom row. There's 2 items here. Manage profile. So this is where you'd come in, manage your profile, change your email address or phone number, things like that. This is where you'd upload files if you wanted to upload files into your account, add users, and so forth. Manage thermostats. This is where you add, delete, update, and manage your thermostats. So if you had got a new thermostat, wanted to add it to your account, you do it here. Logs. This is sort of an audit trail log of things going on with your account, changes, logins, so on and so forth. This is where you would back up your thermostat schedules and also restore them to the thermostat. Our forums, which you can go and take a look and join the conversation. And then finally, the mobile app. So this here will just be provide you links to the Apple App Store or the Android application, so that you can get those on your phone and using them. The few other things here on the main menu, we have a weekly webinar. If you click here, it'll add it to your calendar so you have a reminder. And then finally, we have files. So if you've uploaded files to your account, for example, manuals, floor plans, reference docs, you'll have access to them right here. So you can, whether you're on this computer, that computer, anywhere, you can download files that are meaningful to your HVAC system. So that was just a quick overview. The purpose again was just to go through and show you where things are, and we hope this is a useful session. Thank you for joining us.